This facility sits directly above a protected natural mineral water source that has filtered through volcanic rock formations for torture's. Natural mineral water contains dissolved minerals acquired during its decades-long journey through underground rock formations, giving it
The natural source is continuously monitored to verify the mineral composition remains within the historically established natural range.
The water travels through sealed pipes from source to factory without ever being exposed to the atmosphere, preserving its
Microfiltration removes naturally occurring geological particles while preserving the dissolved mineral content that gives the water its distinctive taste and regulatory mineral water classification.
Ultraviolet sterilization provides a non-chemical microbiological barrier, ensuring commercial sterility without adding any chemical treatment that would alter the natural mineral water taste.
Towards. Ozone treatment provides powerful microbiological kill while naturally decomposing to harmless oxygen within minutes, leaving zero.
This single drop of water has traveled through 50 years of geological filtration and 10 stages of modern purifications. This facility manufactures its own bottles in-house from tiny PET plastic preforms, providing complete control over The preform must be heated to exactly the precise temperature where the PET plastic becomes soft enough to stretch, but not so hot that it loses its structural integrity. At the moment of transfer, each preform has approximately 3 seconds of optimal forming temperature before it cools beyond the usable stretch window. The split mold contains the exact negative impression of the finished bottle shape, including brand embossing, grip texture, and structural reinforcement features. The rotary blow molder produces over 40,000 finished bottles per hour from a single machine, operating continuously throughout every production shift. Each freshly blown bottle must pass immediate automated visual inspection before being permitted to proceed to the filling line. Effective bottles are not wasted. They are ground into flake and recycled directly back into preform manufacturing, achieving near zero material waste. Disinflux. The pre-fill rinse provides a final cleanliness guarantee, flushing any microscopic particulate from the interior surfaces. The finished bottle represents a remarkable engineering achievement, strong enough to withstand palletized stacking loads yet using less than 12 grams of plastic material. The gravity filler is the engineering centerpiece of the facility, delivering over 50,000 perfectly filled bottles per hour from a single spinning carousel. The gravity filling technique uses the water's own weight to flow smoothly into the bottle, preventing turbulent aeration that would introduce tiny. At peak speed, the 140-valve filler produces over 850 perfectly filled bottles every single minute. The filled bottles transfer directly to the capping machine with minimal exposure time to maintain the microbiological integrity of the treated water. Every bottle is individually inspected for correct fill level and proper cap application torque before being permitted to proceed. The facility simultaneously produces still natural mineral water and sparkling carbonated mineral water on separate dedicated filling lines. Counterpressure filling maintains the carbonation in solution during filling, preventing the wasteful gas loss that would occur at atmospheric pressure.
Two parallel lines, two different products, but identical water from the same pristine natural source.
Thousands of sealed bottles per minute advance from the filling hall toward the consumer-facing labeling and packaging operation.
The labeling operation transforms anonymous clear-sealed bottles into the recognizable branded consumer product through precise application of the printed label.
Aseptic. A transparent bottle and clear water allow the printed label graphics to appear with exceptional visual clarity.
The visual transformation is dramatic. Anonymous clear bottles become instantly recognizable branded products the moment the label is applied. The final inspection zone verifies label position, fill level, cap integrity, date code legibility, and overall visual appearance at full production speed. Human visual inspection under bright backlight provides essential verification that the automated systems have not missed any subtle quality deviation. Only structurally sound, correctly filled, properly capped, accurately labeled, and inspection-verified bottles proceed to packaging.
Zero colony count conforms the combined UV, ozone, and rinse treatment protocols have achieved complete commercial sterility. Normal batch release integrates all source, treatment, filling, and analytical data into one quality judgment. The 6-pack shrink-wrapped bundle is the highest volume retail format, providing convenient multi-serving family purchase. The wholesale case format serves large volume retailers and commercial accounts. The large format line serves the office water cooler market with reusable polycarbonate bottles. Pallet patterns optimized for maximum stability and trailer space utilization. Stretch wrap creates transport-ready monoliths.
The label encodes contents, weight, lot, and destination routing.
The distribution warehouse holds enough product to supply an entire metropolitan region for a full week. The WMS automatically triggers production orders when finished goods inventory drops below minimum thresholds.
Distribution operates around the clock, dispatching loaded trailers to regional distribution centers.
Each departing trailer carries enough water to hydrate a small city for a full day.
The natural mineral water's characteristic slightly alkaline pH reflects its geological origin, a quality marker consumer. The lab runs continuous analytical monitoring throughout every shift. The complete product portfolio represents over a dozen different sizes and formats, serving every consumer channel. From the command center, engineers simultaneously monitor water source quality, treatment systems, bottle manufacturing, and all filling lines in real time. Preform heating profile directly determines the finished bottle wall thickness distribution, which controls both clarity and structural strength.
The board provides instant, comprehensive overview of the entire bottle making and filling operation.
Mold set changeovers enable the facility to produce different bottle sizes and shapes on the same blow molding machines.
Structured daily planning ensures blow molding output precisely matches filling line demand for each bottle format.
Sustainable source management ensures the natural aquifer yield remains within safe extraction limits for generations of continued production.
Look at the consistency of this silt layer. It's much thicker than anticipated.
Yes, that changes the hydraulic conductivity. We'll need to update the model immediately. Veteran operators describe the sight of 140 filling valves simultaneously dispensing crystal clear water as one of the most beautifully simple mechanical spectacles. The facility continuously increases its recycled PET plastic content and reduces its carbon footprint through renewable energy and efficiency improvements. Recycled PET integration reduces virgin plastic consumption and closes the packaging material loop towards circular economy goals. The facility returns more clean water to the environment than it extracts for bottling, achieving a verified positive water stewardship balance.
When darkness falls, the natural spring continues flowing, and the factory continues bottling without a moment of pause. The filler operates continuously through every overnight shift, without any reduction in speed or precision. One solitary engineer commands the entire integrated bottle manufacturing and filling operation through the night. Millions of sealed bottles of pure water march toward the warehouse in darkness.
The natural spring never sleeps. Water that began its journey through volcanic rock 50 years ago surfaces continuously.
Even in darkness, absolute clinical cleanliness is maintained. An eternal river of nature's purest beverage flows through the darkness. From tiny plastic preform to sealed branded bottle, the transformation takes less than 30 seconds.
Modern automation has transformed simple water bottling into a staggering high-speed industrial operation. One tiny sealed bottle, born from 30 million produced in this facility today. This facility transforms a natural geological miracle into the world's most consumed packaged beverage. It all begins here. Deep beneath these ancient volcanic mountains, water has been filtering through mineral-rich rock formations for half a century. The factory exists in eternal balance with the natural spring, water rising from the earth and sealed bottles departing endlessly. And so the eternal natural cycle continues, pure water rising from the earth, sealed bottles of nature's finest hydration departing.
New workers arrive to sustain the perpetual bottling rhythm.
From above, the relationship is clear. The protected geological source and the massive bottling facility exist in careful, balanced harmony. Each new filling cycle perpetuates the continuous transformation of nature's underground treasure into the world's most essential packaged beverage. With every blow molders, filler, and packaging line at full speed, the massive bottling facility reaches its breathtaking daily capacity.
The factory's product ultimately serves the most fundamental human biological need: hydration.
From deep volcanic aquifer to family picnic table, nature's purest refreshment connecting people to the earth.
The source is carefully protected and continuously monitored to ensure this natural geological treasure remains pristine for future generations.
Every drop of water in this facility has traveled through 50 years of underground geological filtration to reach this moment.
The filler carousel has been spinning continuously for years, pausing only for scheduled maintenance. The complete operation from natural source to sealed bottle to shipping dock exists as one seamlessly integrated. The journey from underground aquifer to retail cooler shelf, an extraordinary industrial path for the simplest and most essential of beverages. Bottled mineral water serves critical roles in healthcare, emergency response, and disaster relief, where safe drinking water infrastructure is unavailable. When disaster strikes and water infrastructure fails, bottled mineral water becomes a literal lifeline for affected communities. The bottle is both incredibly simple and remarkably complex, a natural geological product preserved by
From molten plastic preform to sealed, filled, labeled bottle, the complete transformation takes less than 1 minute across the integrated line. Purity visible. From the deepest geological formations to a sealed bottle in your hand, the journey of water is both ancient and immediate.
The brand, the facility, and the geological source form an inseparable trinity of purity, technology, and natural heritage. The simplest moment: cold, clean water for a thirsty child. The entire factory exists for this.
30 million bottles daily, one pristine natural source, zero compromise on purity. This is modern water bottling at its absolute peak. The transition is seamless. Production never pauses. The spring never stops. The factory never sleeps.
The final distribution mile connects the geological depths of the earth directly to the kitchen tables and cooler shelves of millions. From volcanic mountain to factory floor to kitchen table, the most fundamental human refreshment, perfected by nature and protected by engineering. The source remains protected, monitored, pristine, a geological treasure entrusted to modern engineering. Nature's most perfect beverage, underground for decades, above ground for minutes, from source to sealed bottle to glass, unchanged and pure. The humble bottle of water, earth, time, and purity. Behind it, a breathtaking engineering empire, protecting nature's most